Hi, welcome to Salesforce Textbook. Our topic is Flex Prompt Template. In this session, we are going to discuss about what is Flex Prompt Template, how to include a flow in a Flex Prompt Template, how to invoke a Flex Prompt Template in a flow with a use case, that is to display all related context for the given account. What is Flex Prompt Template? As the name suggests, Flex is a flexible prompt template. It is used for any business purpose. If our requirement is not fulfilled with any other prompt template, then we will go with Flex Prompt Template. Here in Flex Prompt Template, we can take different objects as input and we can add up to 5 objects as inputs. It allows us to define our own resources also by selecting resource type as free text. Next, how to include a flow in Flex Prompt Template. To include a flow in Flex Prompt Template, first we have to create template triggered prompt flow. Next, we have to add that flow in Flex Prompt Template. Now we will see the practical implementation. Let's go to our arc. First, we have to create a flow. For that, in Quick Find, search for flows. Click on flows. Click on new flow. Select start from scratch. Click on next. Select template triggered prompt flow. Click on create. Here we have to select manual inputs. Next, we have to create a variable, input variable. Click on new resource. Select the resource type, variable. And here we have to create a variable of type record. And here our use case is to display all related context for the given account. Here we are taking the account as the input. So we will give the API name as account. And we will select the object as account. And whatever the object we are using here, we will use the same object in Flex Prompt Template also. Click on available for input. Click on done. Next, we have to get the context under the account. For that, use get records element. Give the label get context. Select the object contact and give the condition. Account ID equals the account record we have created as input dot ID. If the account ID equals to the input we have given, then we have to store all the records. Once we get all the contacts under this account, we'll loop through each contact. For that, use the loop element. Give the label loop through each contact. And select the collection variable contacts from get contacts. Once we loop through all the contacts, we'll display the contact details. For that, add prompt instructions element. Give the label display contact details. And here we have to add whatever the details we want to display. I want to display first name, last name, and email. So I'm giving contact details, first name. Click on insert resource and click on current item from loop through each contact dot first name. Next, last name. Select current item from row dot last name. Next, email. Dot email. Now save the flow. Get contacts related to account. Click on save. Click on activate. Now we have to create the flex prompt template and we will add this flow in the flex prompt template. To create flex prompt template, go to setup. In quick find, search for prompt builder. Click on prompt builder. Click on new prompt template. Select the prompt template type as flex and give the prompt template name. I'm giving get account related contacts. Here we have to give the object name. In prompt template, we have given the input as account. So we'll give the same object here. I'm giving account as a name and source type is object and select the object as account. Click on next. Here we have to write our prompt. Here first I am defining the role. You are a service representative and responsible for summarizing all related contacts for the account. We'll give the account name as an input here. To give the account name, click on resource, click on account and search for name. Next, in resource, we will add the flow we have created just now. To add the flow, click on resource, click on flows and select the flow we have created. And here I have given the response format how I want. Next, we have to select the model. Here I am selecting OpenAI GPT-4 Omni Mini. And here I am giving one account as input, that is Edge Communications. Click on save and preview. Here in resolution, we can see the flow response like contact details, first name, last name, email. We'll see all the contacts under this account. And in response, we can see the total number of contacts and the contact details. Now click on activate. Next, to add this flow in record page, we will add this prompt template in a screen flow. So first we have to create a screen flow. Click on setup. Search for flows. Click on flows. Click on new flow. Select start from scratch. Click on next. Select screen flow. Click on create. Now we will add this flow in the account record page. So to get the current account record, we'll use get records element. and give the label. I'm giving get contacts, get account, and select the object as account. Give the condition account ID equals, we'll create one input variable, that is record ID. Data type text, available for input. It will fetch the current account as the input. Next, we will add the prompt template we have created. To add the prompt template, add action element, and here we will search for our prompt template. Get account related contacts. Click on get account related contacts and give the label. I'm giving get account related contacts. Here we will take the account record as input, that is account from get account, and to display the prompt response we will add screen element. Select screen and give the name display prompt response. To display the response, drag and drop long text. Not long text, display text. Give the name. I'm giving prompt response. And add the outputs from get account dot prompt response. Click on done. Click on save and save the flow. Display account related contacts. Click on save. Click on activate. Now we will add this flow in account record page. So go to sales app. Click on accounts tab and open any account. I'm opening Edge Communications. Click on edit page. Here we have to drag and drop flow component. And here we have to select our flow. Display account related contacts. And here we have to select this checkbox. Pass record ID into this variable. Click on save. Now go back to account record page. Here we will see the contacts under this account. We have two contacts under this account, and we are seeing those details here. This is how we can create the flex prompt template. These are the reference links. Please go through those links. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook. Thank you.